PHI Cubed, solving interoperability through practice, process and technology.
I think the very first incredible building that not only changed my life, but I think changed the direction of the building industry was Bilbao. It represented many departures for the building industry. One of those departures was design to manufacturing. When you think about buildings, you think about constructing buildings, pouring concrete, building it from the ground up. Bilbao represented a shift from traditional construction to using fabrication in the construction of the building. As we start to think about building cities in the future, we need a better process to manage our information. And that is what PHI Cubed does. PHI Cubed is a building information management company. We're giving you the technology, the products, the infrastructure that allows architects, engineers, and contractors to work together and manage information over the life cycle. It completely technologically liberates the architect for the first time. Not only is the architect benefiting, not only is the engineer benefiting, every single player in the equation benefits. 81 Lincoln Road had a very complex building form.
The challenges during the construction arise very quickly.
There were columns on this building that had 3 degrees of rotation on them.
The outline of the first floor does not align with the second floor, and the points on the second floor do not align with the points on the third floor of the attachments.
Meaning that not only did it rotate this way, it rotated out this way, but it also tilted this way.
We realized that we're going to need some expertise in 3D modeling because using 2D drawings was not going to suffice. So the choice of PHI Cubed was natural. They had the software, they had the expertise, and we worked quite well together with them.
The 3 Experience platform working with us gave a solution where no mistakes were able to hide.
We were able to identify down to a tolerance of 1/8 of an inch all the sizes and all the connection points. Those points, of course, had to be casted in concrete beforehand, and yet all the anchor points had to be identified because all the steel members had to be prefabricated and brought to the site according to those specific measurements.
This one member has to be spot on. You get one member wrong, none of it works. Because if it's wrong here, every single consequential angle in the entire building is wrong. When I saw that first column go up,
we all held our breath.
and it was built right, and I saw the first current wall panel go in place, I took a sigh of relief because I knew if the first one made it, the rest were fine.
It all fit exactly, and we didn't have to refabricate any pieces. That would have been impossible with a traditional architectural delivery method.
And ultimately, the building was built successfully.
Working with PHI Cubed was really one of the best experiences we had.
We were able to take the pain out of construction. We were able to take the fear out of construction. We were able to take the risk factor, what we call the surprise factor, out.
They brought to our attention a lot of conflict points that we were not aware of it because simply you could not see it. You require that kind of detailing and that kind of close-up modeling to be able to foresee those things.
That's what PHI Cubed is doing for the contractor, and then they can just focus on their core business activity, which is building the building.